Alright, what's going on, guys? So, I wanted to talk about this because I don't see a lot of videos on YouTube. I saw a lot of stuff on the forums, but I know it can be kind of confusing when you don't know what the fuck's going on. So, about a month ago, the car started giving me like a transmission slip kind of a feeling. Didn't think much of it on the first one. Thought maybe I just hit a bump. That same day on my way home, it just made it very clear that something was up, and it just felt like it was slamming from second to first. Third to second was a little iffy, you know, it felt a little harsh, but that second to first downshift was pretty bad. Like it felt like, you know, like it was jamming into that first gear. So got home, hopped on the forums, started reading up on it, see what I could find, see if it was a solenoid or fluid or whatever the fuck the case may be. Came across a bunch of people saying that it's an ECU problem. So read up on it, looked into it, read a few more things, and everyone was saying that the ECU has the TCU combined into it, so it controls the transmission and it learns to shift hard or something like that. The soldering connections really suck because it's right next to the motor. I mean, the ECU is right here, block is right here, about 4 inches away. So supposedly everyone on the forum is saying, you know, this is the issue. You send it out to this place right here, SIA Electronics in Illinois, which is the only thing that sucks. So basically I parked the car for a couple days, looked into it, tried to figure out what the best solution was. This was $200, not including shipping there, which was like another 30, I think. So all in all, like 230 bucks. Sent it out to them. They had it for like a week and a half, and they rebuilt the TCU and anything that controls the transmission portion. They supposedly fixed. So this is going to be the first time driving the car in about a month. It has a sticker to not void warranty. So I'm going to plug this in, turn it on for the first time, and go for a drive. I don't have a car for a month. I forget how to fucking put it together. What the fuck? It only goes in one way. What the fuck? Yeah, front rear. What the fuck? There we go. Alright, and if you're wondering, there's markings on it that say front, rear, and then the plugs only go in one way. There's two 10 mils on each end. These fucking posts get in the way, so that might be some issue that you guys might have. Other than that, it's just plugging in these last three. Ha ha ha. Where y'all going? Alright, so let's find out what happens now. Let's go. Alright. ECU is in, bolted in, covers on, batteries on. Let's find out what happens. First time in a fucking month. It turns on, that's good. Had a little bit of a stammer there for a second, but it turned on. Just gonna give it a minute to run and operate and load the system before I go anywhere. And then once we drive it, we'll know for sure. Alright, it was going to be the first test drive with the new ECU. So, like I said, hard downshift from second to first. So if it doesn't do that, we're solid. On top of that, I just put front coilovers on, so it's a little weird to be this sloped, and oh my god, it fucking rubs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it fucking rubs. Alright, yeah, there's no fucking way. I barely made it out of my driveway. Oh, hell no. Well, there goes my fender liner. That's good shit. Oh, hell no. It definitely, yeah, it's definitely going back up a little bit. Scratched the fucking lip like a motherfucker. Not that big a deal, but yeah, this thing's going back up a little bit. Holy shit. Alright, unfortunately, this is a bit of a mix of two different videos because of the coilovers and the ECU. Don't rub. Oh. Oh my god. Well, I'll tell you what, it shifts just fine. Backup camera works. Oh god. Oh god. I feel like those Japanese videos of dudes like backing up 45 times. Even though I'm not that low. Oh my god. Alright, first time getting up to speed though. Shifted. Ah, it's beautiful. It didn't rub. It didn't fucking rub. Oh God. Get it up to speed again. A little bit faster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No rub. No transmission issue anymore. It's not giving me any signs of a hard downshift anymore. So I'm pretty happy with it. I just got that fucking rub. Oh God. Alright. First time the car's been out in probably like a month. So I took it out after putting the ECU in, and she rides great. Little bit of a fucking mess with the whole coilover situation. I pulled the fucking fender lining right here. Not the biggest deal, but just kind of annoying. You know, I gotta fix that in a little bit. But other than that, car rides fucking great. Scrapes everywhere, but the ECU transmission problem that I was having with the hard downshift is no longer a problem. So, that being said, I feel like she's probably good to go. I just got to finish up the coilovers in the rear. I'm going to pull it in forward this time, do the rear end, and once it's lowered, I can raise up the front end, and we're solid from there. I mean, it's got to go up a good 1/4 inch at least. I'm just with the wheels. With the wheels, it's got to go up a little bit. But the SIA Electronics ECU fix, that was mint. Recommend.
Through the night,